Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clear all of your liked videos on YouTube all at once. It's super easy, so let's get started. First, open the YouTube app on your device. Once you're in, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Next, go ahead and select your Google account option. This will take you to your Google account settings. Now, swipe over to the Data and Privacy tab. Scroll down a bit until you see History Settings and tap on it. Once you're there, select Web and App Activity. Wait for it to load, then scroll down until you see the option that says Manage All Web and App Activity. This will bring you to a new screen. From here, tap on the three-dot menu at the top right corner and select Other Activity. In the Other Activity section, look for Comment and Comment Likes/Dislikes on YouTube. Tap on YouTube Likes and Dislikes. Here, you'll see a list of all your liked videos. If you want to remove them all at once, just tap the X button next to the list. A pop-up will appear asking if you want to delete this activity. Go ahead and tap Delete to remove all your liked videos from YouTube. And that's it. All of your liked videos are now cleared. It's a quick and simple process. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.